Hi, this is Mrs. McCarthy, and my student here today with me is my husband, Sean. We are going to be going over problem solving for second graders with addition and subtraction. So, to get started, I have a few problems listed out that my student Sean and I are going to be working through together as an introduction for how these problem solving questions kind of look, how they're going to appear to us over the next couple of weeks through this section. And so I think that these type of problems are a really great way for students to get introduced and to work through them so they can be more familiar working through them on their own. Our first one is a fruit seller had 84 lemons. He sold 56 lemons. How many lemons did he have left? Here I've gone ahead and boxed out for some visual representation 84 lemons. And then we boxed out 56 lemons, which really gives us that visual that 84 lemons is greater than 56 lemons. So having the total 84 lemons, we would list that in front. 84 minus, he sold 56 lemons. And that equals to 28. 84 minus 56 is 28 lemons left. Now for the second example, there are 56 passengers in bus A and 42 passengers in bus B. How many passengers are there altogether? Okay, Sean. So for this one, I have already provided the visuals for you. Bus A has 56 passengers in it, and bus B has 42 passengers in it. So we can see with our visual picture that 56 is greater than 42. Now, with our pictures, what can you take from that to just problem solve how many passengers there are altogether for these two buses, bus A and bus B?
I'll add bus A's 56 to bus B's 42, and that makes 98 passengers altogether.
Great job, Sean. So can you see from this first problem, we were doing subtraction, and then we moved on from the next problem doing addition. Both questions look very similar. We are just going to have to keep an eye out for keywords to let us know if this is going to be an addition or subtraction type of problem. When we see he sold 56 of his 84 lemons, how many lemons did he have left? So sold and left are going to be our keywords to know that we are going to be minusing the sold 56 lemons from the 84 lemons to see how many is left. And for the second question, for it to be addition, our keyword would be how many passengers are there all together. So we can see that this is going to lead us to adding them to get a total sum of the 98 passengers from bus A and bus B. And for our final example, Luca has 39 chickens, but will sell 18 of them. How many chickens will Luca have left? Sean, I'm going to have you start by doing your visual box outs for the 39 chickens and the 18 chickens.
That's my 39 chickens, and this is my 18 chickens.
Okay, so for this problem, Can you tell me if this is going to be an addition problem or a subtraction problem?
It'll be a subtraction because he's selling them and it's asking how many are left.
Good job. And so can you write out the numeral expression for this problem?
39 minus 18 equals 21.
Great job. So, Sean, do you feel like you are picking up on the problem solving for addition and subtraction?
Yes, I think I am.
Okay, good to hear. Since you are feeling so confident, I would like you to go ahead and it can be your choice, addition or subtraction. And I would like you to create your own problem for me to solve or one that we can solve together.
Okay. Carl has 16 balloons, but 7 balloons pop. How many balloons does Carl have left?
Great. I think that is a really good problem to solve. So let's go ahead and do a different type of visual for this problem. If that's okay if we work that together.
Yeah, that's okay.
So I think that balloons are pretty easy to draw. So I am going to go ahead and draw 16 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we have our 16 balloons, but 7 balloons pop. How many balloons does Carl have left? I like that you included our keywords for your readers to know if this is going to be an addition or a subtraction. I see you chose to go with a subtraction type of problem solving. So I think a great way for this one, if we have our 16 balloons, we can just go ahead and start Xing them out. So Sean, if you could go ahead and X out or pop 7 of those balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 popped balloons. Now we need to count how many balloons are left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 balloons left. So this is another great type of strategy to use for visual aid for students. It allows them to be a little bit more hands-on. Obviously, it does not work that great for larger numbers, but drawing out 16 balloons didn't take me too terribly long. Sean, I know now, is feeling confident with problem solving, addition, and subtraction in this area, and has showed me by writing his own example that he is ready to move on and dive a bit deeper into more of the addition and subtraction, and soon enough, multiplication and division. Thanks so much for joining us today. Thank you, Sean, for being my student.
Thanks.